How to turn on comments on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are wondering how to turn on comments on YouTube, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First of all, go to your YouTube homepage and go to your profile icon on the bottom right. After you have clicked on it, go to your videos option, and then there you'll see the video that you've posted. Tap on it and you can see that the comments are disabled, which is because it's turned off. Now what you have to do is go back and tap on the three vertical dots, and there you'll see edit option. Tap on it, and on the very bottom you'll see comments option, which is off. Tap on it, and then you just have to tick on the on option, and you can also choose comment moderation, which is you can choose to hold potentially inappropriate comments, or to hold a broader range of potentially inappropriate comments, or even hold all comments. And that's it. Now you can save your changes. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.